So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video will cover the most important topic, that is the most asked question, that can we claim the milestone multiple times, or can we just use the extra points in the next cohort. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here we are in the arcade homepage. Just click over here. You'll be redirected to the arcade homepage, and here many of you are having queries like, if I have, let me take a simple example. If I have a 60 point, basically if I have 60 points, can I claim the arcade novice and trooper both milestone? So the answer is same. No, you cannot claim. Even though if you have 85 points, you cannot claim the multiple milestone. So I hope this clears your basic doubt. Another doubt is that if I, as you said, that I can claim only one milestone. Let's take Trooper for this example, and I have 60 points. Or even if I have 80 points, or let's take the 40 points example. So here in the Arcade Trooper, we have 60 points total. So what will happen to the 20 points if I redeem the Trooper milestone? So the remaining 20 points will be either donated to the charity, or it will be directly become zero. So that means you cannot take these points. Basically, once you have redeemed the 40 points, the 20 points will automatically get deleted from the system, and your public profile will be reset to zero. So it won't be carried from this cohort to the next cohort. Even though if you have 60 points and you fail to claim during the deadline of the arcade program, I have shared a sample video about the price detailing. So if you want, you can watch this video. Basically, I am showed the email also and how long it takes to get delivered. So basically, in this email, important information was also shared, that suppose if you fail to claim the stocks in the deadline time, then the total 60 points will be wasted. So better once you get the email, the official email, I will make a video and then you can claim the stocks. So the best thing is that you should wait. Now, in simple words, the motive of this video to make you understand that the points won't get carried forward. So if you have 60 points, you will be able to redeem only triple milestone, and the remaining 20 points will be wasted. It won't be carried forward. Also, an important thing is that you cannot share. Like if you have two profiles and someone is having 64 points and you are having 60 points, so you are thinking, can I share some points? Like suppose here we need only 1 point, like we had 64 points, so can we share 1 point from the trooper to the ranger? So the answer is no, you cannot share these points, as these points stick to your original learning record, basically your public profile, and can't be shared, so you cannot share. So that's all for today. In simple words, you can redeem only one milestone, and the excess points, even if it is 1 point or it is 50 points, it won't be carried forward to the next cohort. Thank you guys. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one.